most of us would like to watch movies and hearing music, but watching movies and hearing songs with precise sound quality will bring us to feel the real ambience. In that sense, we have to afford more expensive to get the real sound effects. Now you don't want to compromise your desire of music. Zebronics is bringing your dream music into life with low price. Yes, in this video we are going to unbox and review Zebronics 5.1 home theater. Yeah guys, this is your time to unbox and I am Sugu. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also tap the bell button to get the notification. In our last video, we have seen how MI is manufacturing smart LED TVs. That's really interesting. If you missed out that video, I left the link in the description box. Just click on and enjoy that video. Okay guys, it's time to unbox the Zebronics 5.1 home theater. Inside the box, first we are having small pack with user manual, cable and wall mounting screws. Then we are having 5 satellite speakers. And after removing thermocol, we are having subwoofer. And following this, we are having the remote inside the box. Okay, that's all inside the box. Now let's move on to the satellite speakers. It's made up of wood coming with 6 watts output, and coming to the build quality of the satellite speakers, it's not much more attractive, but quality is incredible with low price. And then looking to the subwoofer box, this is also not fascinating much more. Anyhow, it is having decent look. This subwoofer is coming with 35 watts output, and let me show you what's front on the subwoofer. Bottom of the front, we are having the vent hole, and moving to the top, we are having USB port and then multifunctional control buttons. You can adjust volume and input modes by using these functional buttons. And then moving to the right side, we are having the subwoofer. Actually, subwoofer is not packed with metal mesh type. It is covered with cloth, so be careful while handling this. And moving to the back side, we are having the connectivity ports. From the top, in the first port, you can connect your FM antenna, and following that, you are having the connectivity ports to connect your laptop or PC, and then we are having DVD ports to connect with the DVD player. Moving towards the down direction, we are having the power button and speaker ports. According to the length of wire, you can connect your satellite speakers with the port as you wish for choosing center speakers, surrounding front left, rear right, and so on. And coming back to the remote, we are having the individual buttons for every options like changing 2.1 to 5.1 surroundings, for changing FM, USB port, and turning on Bluetooth. And another important option is individually you can able to control the volume of every speaker as well as subwoofer. And then coming to the connection, you can directly connect the home theater with your laptop, PC, and also with the DVD player by using aux cable. There is also 3.5 audio jack pin. By using this, you can connect your mobile. Moreover, that it's having the option to control the Bluetooth, pen drive, and SD card. Now finally coming to the review, sound quality is extremely pretty good with the worth of 3000 rupees. Sound distortion is awesome. Coming to the bass effect, 35 watt subwoofer is producing incredible and punchy bass. The travel quality is also good. I tested this with 80% volume level. The audio quality was high. I really impressed on the audio quality. I never expected such performance with this low price home theater. It is very much suitable for the mid-sized hall. Finally, my conclusion about this product is very nice except the length of the speaker cable. Okay guys, that's all about my review. If you want to test this product, it is easily available in Amazon website with the price of 3000 rupees. You can also click the link that I have left in the description box and check it out. Okay guys, I hope that this video is useful for you. Make thumbs up and thumbs down and leave the comment what you felt about this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, time to unbox, and also tap the bell icon to receive the notification. Bye bye.